gotta come spray. I'm making some lasagna soup. You know, I'm gonna dip you out a bowl. You have to be my sample.
Okay.
Just a little sample.
If it's as good as
It's smelling.
it's smelling,
All right.
and if it's as good as the red beans and rice,
Yeah. I'm almost done with it. I'm just gonna top yours with a little cheese.
okay.
So it'll be cooling.
All right, well, thank you.
You're welcome. Okay. I'll turn this on. So.
Well, if I leave it outside, it won't take long to cook.
You said that right. You know tomorrow they already told us we weren't having school.
Oh, they did say they was closing?
Yeah, we got the call just a minute ago.
Oh.
So I'm gonna let my pest control guy try it out. He ain't through spraying, so I'm gonna sprinkle him some cheese on him. So by the time he get through, hopefully it won't burn his mouth. All right. Again, we need to decide: are we gonna make the cheese mixture and drop it in there, or do I need to just let everybody, if they want it in, they can put it in individually? Hold on, that's the question. Hold on, y'all. Shake my little Parmesan on there. And a little sprinkle of mozzarella. I use finely shredded mozzarella. I'm gonna put a little bit of this. And what y'all say, give him a little more juice. He don't need a lot of juice. If you want to take a bowl, I let him take a bowl. He'll bring my bowl back. See, Southern hospitality is different. Anybody do something for you, they considered a worker and an asset to your family. So if he comes to spray for me, I'm going to treat him right. He's doing something. I might be paying for the service, but he's still a good person. And he's making sure that I don't have no roaches and that I don't have no rats. I help him help me. How do I help him help me? Because I keep my house clean. Okay? You can't do it just by yourself. Can't get mad at him talking about you. I got bugs. Well, okay. I know I'm supposed to give him a little, but you know, Southern people don't know what little is. We don't know. So I'm going to make him up this little ball. And I ought to put it in the deep freezer, and blast it. That's what I'm going to do. I'm going to let y'all see it. Then I'm going to put it in the freezer. Because he got to go check the baits. Let me show you. He got to go check the baits. So I'm going to put this in the freezer for him. See, it's loose. And then I'm going to go ahead and get him a fork. He going to like it. My whole house smell good. Hold on 1 second. He coming. Let me put it in the freezer. I'm put it in the freezer. Facebook. Put it in the freezer. Hold on 1 second. So by the time he get through checking the bait, and y'all gonna tell me what I need to do. Come on, Facebook. You didn't get to see inside the pot for the last time, so I'm gonna turn both of y'all around. Come on, Facebook. Okay. So what do y'all think? Should I put the